In this episode, I'm going to share 3 qualities that, from over 25 years of consulting, are consistent in the makeup of leaders who don't just drive performance, they inspire people to believe in themselves and they get others to rally around them. Are you one of those people? Let's find out. Welcome to Build Smart Connections. Hey, if you're new to our channel, welcome. And please subscribe, because this is where I share tools and strategies to make your influence count in every business and personal interaction. Why? Because life goes fast. So if I asked you to write down the name of a person who made a difference in your life, who really inspired you, not just intellectually, but they really impacted your heart and soul, who would you write down and why? What lessons did they teach you? And how have you used those to help those around you? That is an activity I have facilitated many times over the years. And when people write all that down, I have them stand up and talk about it. And well over 100 grown men and women cannot even get through it. They get so swept up in emotion. That is impact. And after everyone has finished presenting, I ask them one more question. Years from now, if those you influenced had to engage in this exercise, would they use your name? The following are 3 qualities that help make up a leader who instills self-belief and inspires others to take positive action and make smart decisions. Now, please pay close attention, because after I go through these, Little Joe is going to ask you a question on your effectiveness. The inspirational leader is a teacher. The key here is to know that telling isn't teaching. Telling isn't teaching. Telling isn't teaching. Telling is not teaching. The teaching leader asks the right questions to determine individual motivations of those they influence, because they know people are motivated by different things. They get to know the complete person by finding out their passions, their goals, and their fears. And they know that because everyone has a different learning style, teaching has not happened until learning has been confirmed. The inspirational leader is a respectful responder. When I was in college, I had a psychology of speech teacher who said, in the ladder of life, we have a tendency to kiss the foot of the person above us and kick the head of the person below. Do you know how many quote-unquote leaders cancel meetings with those under them? Look, I know we're busier than ever, but this is a troubling epidemic in the business world. See, the irony here is when you do cancel or you don't respond, you actually do respond with a message that says you're just not that important. And if exceptions do come up, not convenient excuses, but real exceptions, the respectful responder reaches out proactively, they apologize, they reschedule, and they commit to meeting again. Because you can only inspire others when you have demonstrated trust, reliability, and character. And the inspirational leader is a recognizer. This starts with the realization that effectiveness is not solely measured by business output or in numbers, but in recognizing team members' positive impact on colleagues and clients. And they don't just think about the positive qualities of others, they make time to express specific appreciation, so those they lead understand, repeat, and build on their strengths. And the recognizer doesn't only acknowledge positive achievements, they courageously tell those they lead about their gaps and opportunities, because that's what inspires people to constantly learn, grow, and succeed. Okay, Little Joe has a big question for you.
Okay, folks, if you're currently in a leadership position, how effectively would those who report to you say you are at being a teacher, a respectful responder, and a recognizer? See, it's easy to pick on our boss, but we all must take ownership, beginning with giving ourselves the finger. Or pointing the finger at ourselves. Whatever.
Eloquently delivered. Seriously, Little Joe and I do need your feedback. Also, if you found this information helpful, please smash the like button, ring that bell so you can get notifications on all our videos, and always
live it, love it, do it, profit.